nutrition. Blood is an example of a mixture, and there's a mixture of plasma and blood cells. Just by looking, don't you think you can identify the components of blood? Some mixtures are made up of very tiny components which can not be easily identified. Some mixtures, like coffee, have components that are not clearly visible. There are mixtures like salad and pizza, in which you can see the ingredients easily. These are all different kinds of mixture with varied characteristics.